Whoops. There we go. Oh, hi. Hi whoever's watching. How's your evening going? Let's move you over here. Oh, hi Jen. Alright, where did I leave off? Tonight's probably going to be kind of a short one for me, because I've got some work stuff I need to do early tomorrow. But I think I can get some stuff done. Trying to remember, what even was I doing last time? Hi there, Casper Dragonwolf. How's your evening going? Oh, I remember what I wanted to work on. I want I want something to happen more than just a sound effect when you destroy stuff. It is going. Well, that's, I guess, pretty neutral. Let's see. I was watching, Camu posted a pretty neat video. Let me copy it in here. This one. So I think what I want to do is, in that video there was like a particle effect that used the actual sprite itself to generate the particles, to create kind of like it was a breaking apart effect. And that's kind of what I think I want to happen, what I want to have happen when the lasers destroy stuff. So let's try it out on the slimes first. Do I have them stored in here? Let's see, is it just normal particles? Okay. And then, how did they do it again? It was like, actually, you know what? Let's just watch it. I can try to remember, but I don't think that's gonna go over so swell. And I'm sure the makers of this video wouldn't mind if we streamed it quick. Let's pull you over there. Pause this one.
Particle systems in Godot, but too many developers just don't know how. We will go from beginner level.
Can you all hear it okay?
Really advanced trickery and make some nice effects along the way. We prepared some simple textures. You can download them with all the particle systems we make in this video from our GitHub.
This video is
too quiet? Okay.
Jam. Find out more on the website and join the jam that starts November 18th. Links are in the description.
How about
Let's
there?
start with a nice little fire effect. Create a scene and add a particles 2D node. As a texture, we can use this little smudge. Of course, you can use something a little nicer for your game. So now we have a falling smudge. We can remove the gravity to stop it from falling and give it an initial velocity, let's say around 250. Flames tend to rise up.
I think the part
so
I
we give it a
wanted was
direction
right
of.
here.
If you have a retro game, this might not be the kind of explosion you think of. So let us try another one. Let's use a sharp pixel
Wait,
texture with an
no.
animation by Sprite sheet. You could also use individual frames with an animated texture, but we will not. Set the sprite sheet you have as the texture. Give the node a canvas item material. Check particles animation.
Here we go.
And configure. And make sure to check capture emission colors from pixel, because you can use this slightly hard to find button up here. But hey, at least it is underlined since version 3.4. Add your sprite or mesh, choose solid pixels, and make sure to check capture emission
never
colors
found
from
that
pixel,
button.
because we want a color. We could add a texture, but the default pixel looks cool here. Maybe we scale it up a bit. We also need a lot of particles. Now we just make it fly away with a bit of velocity or whatever you like. That looks good, I think. We can use an animation player to hide the sprite while the particle system is active. So animate and modulate of the sprite.
Okay. Think I got it. I want it to be this slime. Capture from pixel. Cool. I don't want you to be dropping over there, though. Is the music okay? Thereabouts. So we've got, oh, we need like 100 of these guys. And let's make them, oh, so it makes the particles look like the sprite disassembled? Yeah! So what I'm thinking is, for all of the prizes that I have that you can destroy with the lasers, I'll make like an explosion based on the pixels. The pixels of the sprite, I mean. So it'll kind of look like the bits are falling apart. Okay. I want you to have no gravity. Let's give you some more particles. Yeah, you can almost kind of see it, right? Now I want the emission shape to be... maybe not a sphere. Box. Points. Hey, that's looking pretty cool. It's subtle without full screen in Twitch anyway. Let me add some more points for you. And let's make the scale a bit bigger. Like 5. And then we'll go like this, that, then there. Maybe not 5. 3. Initial velocity 20. Why are you going that direction? Ring? Nope. Point? That's just looking weird. I think I did want points. Positive is to the right? It is... Oh, there's the direction. Spread. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Wonder if I switch... Now that I have the spread, if I switch you back to point... It's all white again. Actually, maybe I do want a little bit of gravity. Yeah. Okay. And then... maybe some more velocity? And then less lifetime. Okay. And let's see what it looks like for one shot. Poof. Kinda looks like it's breaking apart. Can you Bezier curve the speed? I can try. Let's see. Nope. Linear acceleration. Oh, I should change you off of one shot and back on emitting so I can actually see this. Okay. Maybe I want it to, like, ramp up, kinda? I mean, it sort of just looks like confetti, which is not a bad way to be. Or maybe I want it to, like, slow down. Yeah, I think that's kind of what I want. I was thinking fast in the middle, slow at the extremes. Yeah, that kind of looks good. I kind of wish I could make it go from a central area, though. But this... Oh, wait a minute. There. But why are they all white now? Is it because of this? But why wasn't it doing that? Oh. Oh, it might have to be points. Hey, that looks pretty cool. Color texture? No. Melting baddie. Yep, kinda. Let's see, if I do that again, it just sort of falls apart into points. And they kind of float. Oh, that's right, because I have this curve. Let's see, if I just do... Ah, what happened? It's a gone. Oh, because I bet the curve default to 0, maybe? Yeah, that's what happened. So we want it to go... No. No. And maybe that? Oops. Okay. I wish there was a way I could get it to, like, poof out from the center. I'm gonna quickly scrub through that video again and see what they did. Oh, I see. Okay. In the direction, let's point, what, -50? It's not, oh, and then I need some velocity. Whoops. How come it's not doing anything? Oh, is it because acceleration? No. Move, dots, move. And that's like the defaults. They should be falling. Oh, wait. I had directed points, which is something I don't understand yet. Let's just stick with points. We'll have that direction. Oh, okay. If I want it to crumble downwards, yeah. Okay. I think this is gonna work. I think this will look nice. Let's make that pretty quick. Got a nice number of particles. The size. It'll start off like there. And it'll be like they're exploding and then quickly falling off. So now, let's try one shot and let's do even less lifetime and speed them up a little. Velocity 200. Poof. Nice. All right. So we want to play this. We'll rename you to Destroyed Particles. When do I want to play you? When am I playing the sound? Sound manager. I was thinking I need to make a sound manager, and I guess I already did. Oh, and that's all it does? I mean, that's kind of cool, but let's make it even better. I found a pretty good recipe for a sound manager that I'm just going to shamelessly copy from here. I'll leave this function in because I might as well. But instead of having it do that, object destroyed by laser sound, Oh. Okay. So what we want is audio stream, play sound path, stream, the audio stream to be played. Will that give me the path to the file? Bus, no. Get stream playback, audio stream, get length, no. Where is it? I wonder. It's probably something super obvious that I'm just not seeing. Or why am I worrying about that? I can just do, hold on. I'll just find out where it is. Destroyed. Okay. That's where you are. We want you to play this. And I'll use more of this later. Actually, let me just double check to make sure this will actually work. Okay, that's all it's doing. It's readying that one. Yep, I don't need to set anything up for that. Available, set up there. Whoops. Yeah, it should work. Okay. So this way, oh, should I almost have a particle manager that I could like, no. Because the whole reason we're doing this with the sound manager is so we can get rid of the object. Like when, so this area that we're getting rid of is the laser beam itself, and then we're doing hazard die, which does a cue free. If we weren't using a sound manager, then the sound would die or would be freed with whatever this node was. So somehow I need to figure out, like, is there a way to play a particle effect? Like, I would need to add the particle effect as a child of the scene, like, of like the level, and then release it? Maybe? I'll need to think about that some more. But what can I do instead for now, just to see this work? Probably use another timer. We'll call you destroy effect timer. since the particles are going for 1/4 of a second, we'll have your wait time be 1/4 of a second. You're a one-shot. We want to connect you to here. Now, we will, on hazard die, let's do destroy particles dot play. No, emitting. That's what we need. It's true, and then we're going to start the timer. Does it start? Yep. And I bet I could dynamically get... This is how I should do it. I should get the destroy particles, their lifetime, and pass that as a float. Lifetime. So now, to test that, let's just set you to 1. Still want you to be one-shot though. So that way, when we change the particle's lifetime, the timer should get changed as well. Okay, then, when you're done, we'll do Q free. Now you should theoretically work, hopefully. Let's check it out. Well, I see a problem. Or 2 problems. 1, we're emitting a bunch of them, and 2, we're not hiding the sprite. Let's do that. So we have an animated sprite. We want to basically change its visibility, I think. Yeah? How do I... Okay. First, let's do animated sprite dot set deferred, and then is it visible? False. I think that's how you do it. And then what do I want to do for this next part? Well, let's just see if that works. Okay, that worked. The effect wasn't as pronounced as I had hoped. So we'll change that. And maybe I'm not even... Well... Oh, I know what I can do. This area 2D, I can just turn off its monitoring status. Right? Because it doesn't, like, once we've hit the thing, it's already trying to get rid of itself. So then this doesn't need to worry anymore. I bet that would work. Monitoring? I wonder if I can just do this. Let's test. I think it worked. Oops. Maybe it worked. Let's make the effect bigger. Because I couldn't see it. I don't know about you. Let's actually zoom out to 100% here. And we'll change you to 10 maybe? Maybe that's too big. 5? That's looking a bit better. Nope, it's still doing 3 of them. I couldn't see a thing on stream, but maybe it was just too small for window and window. Oh, do you have me in a window and window? Yeah, it might be. If you're already got me kind of minimized, it might be kind of hard to see. How would I make it bigger? Hi Camimoo, how's your evening going? I took a look at that video you posted in the Discord, and I'm trying to make a cool particle effect that shows like the enemy blasting into bits. I think I might want this to play a bit longer too. Going good? Oh, good to hear. Oh, sick. Yeah, it is pretty fun. Thanks again for posting that video. I had to rewatch it on stream a little bit because I couldn't remember to click on this button. Well, I have chat open and your template has big borders. Your screen is maybe half as wide and tall as my monitor. Let me see if I can make it so that it's easier to see for folks. Bet if I change the test width. Maybe? Wait, that's not the resolution I wanted. Is it 1024 by 1080? Or I mean, yeah, is that it? No, that just made it tiny. I bet I have to do it the other way. Let's do 1920 by 1080 and then make this actually smaller. Hey, that might be... I mean, it's big now. Maybe a little too big. Also, I think the particles are going behind stuff. Working on the tile compositor right now. Nice. I'll bring it up quick. Whoop. That's looking pretty neat. Yeah, I remember you showing this off last night a bit. I like the updates to the UI you've made. It's way easier to understand now. Yeah. Good job, Camimoo. Yeah, shy particles. Yep. Render priority. Is that maybe what I need to adjust? If I change that to like 10? Okay, here we go. Sets the render priority for transparent objects in 3D scenes. Oh. That's for 3D. So they have a Z index? Is that what this Z is? No. That's direction. Flags. Where are you? Oh, there they are. Okay. Z index, controls the order a node with a higher z-index will display in front of others. Okay. Let's move you up there. Thanks for the tip, Camu. There we go. This is, I mean, this is a bit too zoomed in, I think. What other 16:9 resolutions are there? I always have to look it up because I can't remember. Alright. 1280 by 720. That's what we tried before. Or wait. 1280 by 720. Like that? I mean, this isn't that bad. It was just the particles I couldn't see well. Everything else is fine. I can live with it. No worries. I mean, I want people at home to be able to see stuff going on. Let's see if I can find one that's, like, in between that. I could have just done 1600 by 900. That's super easy math. I don't know why I didn't think of that. I'm reasonably certain that the moment you start streaming stuff live, like, you lose like a third of your intelligence. It's gotta be. Because I'll be rewatching some of my stuff and think, how could I have missed that? It was right there the whole time. Oh yeah, there we go. This actually... I mean, this might be the resolution I want the game at, actually. Yeah. This doesn't feel too bad. Let's keep it that way for a while at least. So now we have this, and I'm liking it. But is there a way to, like, dynamically carve these out without having to fiddle about every time? The material is particles. It's using points, and the point texture is... Wait, where is it getting the slime texture from? Wait, whoops. Nope, not there. I should save this anyways. I'll call you... Wait. Do I want... Yeah, I want to save it. Because I don't want to reuse it. I'll call you... I don't want you in there. Where do I even want you? Not in assets. Maybe in prizes? We'll call you... Wait. There you go. Prize... Destroyed? Okay. So... It shouldn't be too difficult to just apply them to the other ones. Yeah, let's just go. I'll quickly go through and add them. Although this is coming back to that thing that Goki Dev was talking about, where I should have just made everything an instance class of like some base prize object. I should do that, but I don't think I'm gonna do it now. I'll have a refactor day. Oh, you're even in here. Hi, Goki Dev. How's your game coming along? I'm super looking forward to it, but I also don't want, I don't want you to get stressed or anything. I know you kind of wanted to get it done by the 28th, but I feel like we'd be fine if you needed more time. Not a very productive day because I had to unflood a backyard and hurt my neck and something, so I've been taking it easy. Oh, yikes! That doesn't sound fun at all. Well, I'm happy you're here, and I'll try to keep the vibes relaxing for you. Speaking of vibes, what happened to them? Oh, music's just getting there. It's been vibey so far. Well, thanks. Makes me happy to hear it. Alright. So I need to not deal with you right now. Let's get the sword up there, spiky ball, the ring. Wait, I'm not even using the ring yet. Oh, that's the other thing I wanted to do. I saw in that same video, like, they just briefly showed it, but there was like a really cool, like, wavy, ripply effect that wasn't using particles, but it was using a shader, I think. And I thought for, like, the gravity buff that draws items in, that would look really neat. I might save that one for later, though. Let's do you, coin, clover, book, and belt, why not? The sword. Oh, you have hit particles because you're a hazard, that's right. Let's get some particles on you. We want you to be this one. Now, if I do that, yeah, you're using the slime again. So if I do this, okay. Now if I go back to the slime, now it's the sword. I need to make it unique. It's the sword again. Okay, let's do that. Fixed you. Let's do this, that, open, make unique, particles, load, sword, open, yes, please, please, yeah, okay. So this'll work for getting things set up kinda nice to begin with. That might be a bit too wide though. Let's do 0.3. Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't think I need to change anything else. So then we just add timer. What did we call you? Destroy effect timer. And we call you destroy particles. And now in here, we want to do the same thing. So let's get you to time out in the sword script. And then we do cube free. Nice, nice. Those particles we need to change to one shot. In the script, we want audio stream player dot play hazard die. That's where we want to change it. Let's get rid of this. We'll do destroy effect timer dot start with the destroyed particles. Can I remember it? Lifetime. It's almost like a quiz each time. Can I remember the property? And before I do that, I want to destroy effect particles. Emitting is true. So now... Oh, but the sword's time to live is pretty short. I might actually want to make it live longer. How long does the spiky ball live? Wait, 1 second? I must be setting it somewhere else. Here we go. Time alive. So the sword's time alive. Let's give you 5 seconds and you 10 seconds. So now the sword should live long enough for us to actually attempt to destroy it with the laser. Just to make sure that it works, let's grab a sword and plop it in there. Whoops, not the script. This guy. That works in all kinds of not right ways. What? I bet because the sword had such a short time to live, I never caught this before. Okay. The sword might have layer issues. You are that, and you're looking for that. Aha! Well, no, that'll just help it collide with other hazards. What is letting us destroy the sword, but not... Or, I mean, destroy the slimes, but not the swords. Slime, slime. Area 2D. Oh, the Area 2D's collision. That's what it is. Yeah, you're set to that. I'm doing that with the spiky as well. Nope, just the sword. Well, it's still not working. You're looking for the laser now. You're not signaling anything. Okay, I guess the signal just wasn't set up. That's strange. There we go. Although, what did we do in the slime script to make it so that we couldn't shoot it twice? Oh, we turned off the monitor. And we need to turn off the animated sprite, or in this case, just the sprite. Hazard die. Alright, let's do sprite dot set deferred dot visible false. Then we need the area 2D. Monitoring is false. Now, got it. Although it felt like some of my shots went through it. That time I got it. What does your area 2D look like? Oh, that's what it is. It's just this. So if it went through the hilt, yeah. Let me add another. Let's make you capsule. I'm gonna move you up thereabouts. Put you there. Like this. Let's make it a little bigger. No, don't do that. Move you here? Sure, that's good enough. Just want to make sure that the player can actually hit it. I kind of want to listen to some of Exodrifter's stuff. I'm trying to pick out which songs of hers I want to purchase for use in games and stuff. So let me... I'll play it. Whoa. There we go. I want this one. I can't stop listening to this one. Let's do this. Add that. We'll bring you down here so you can all kind of see it. And I'll hide the YouTube one. There we go. Yeah, that's a good place for it, I think. Every time, this part, it's just chills. I don't know, there's just something about it. Sorry, I don't know. Yep. Hi, also, hi Markia. How are you doing this evening? Okay. I think I'm done with the sword. Let's work on the spiky. Wait, why did I didn't mean to add a collision. I want particles. We'll give you... No, not a new one. Quick load. Prize destroyed. Then we make unique. Particles. Load emission mask from the spiky. Let's give you 400 of them. We'll decrease your time to 0.3. That looks about right. Good, how are you? Just popping in before I head out for dinner. I'm doing pretty good. I'm probably not going to be streaming too long tonight, because I've got some kind of an early work thing tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. I hope your dinner is tasty. I want timer destroy effect timer. Okay, I think that's good. Add you to there. And the code should be pretty much the same. And the hazard die. All of this should be the same. Sprite, area 2D, destroy particles, destroy effect timer. Now, let's test you out. Oh, not delete that, just this, just the sword. Let's add the spiky right there. I see something I did wrong. Let's get those destroyed particles to be one-shots. That didn't work either. I'm able to shoot it a whole bunch of times. Area 2D.monitoring is false. It shouldn't be looking for collisions anymore then. Because if I turn that off and just leave it off, yeah. That lasted for a long time. I don't think they're centered. I mean, that's also probably true as well. Destroyed particles. Oh yeah, you're right. They're not. So the particles. Let's see. I feel like there's something in here that lets me sort of unlock the, what is it? I don't even know what to call it, but to unlock like where the location is. Maybe I don't have it right. Or I should say maybe I don't have it in my head right. But yeah, you're like right there. Is the spiky ball have a weird transform? They are emitting from a mask, right? Yeah. Is the mask, so would it take into account like the height and width of this mask? So would I then need to do like, the position would be, what, -16 if it's a 32 by 32? So then, I think the mask is using its top left corner as its origin. Does capture from pixel? I think that's what I want. Is there a way to set the origin? Or is it this, the node 2D that I'd want to do? I mean, the node 2D's transform. I feel like I can fudge it by just sort of doing that and then... actually, maybe I need to make it -32, -32? Yeah, setting the transform changes where they emit from. So then... yeah, that looks right. Okay, so it's just one extra thing to kind of keep in mind. I don't know why I wasn't seeing that before. I think I was just too happy that I got the thing sort of figured out. Is that gonna be right? Nope, it needs to be a little more up. There we go. That's about right. And for the slime... whoops. Oh, I need to do that. Transform. I feel like the slime's graphic was kind of small. But maybe... nope, that's right. Okay, cool. Now I need to figure out why... like, is it happening that... is it doing the same thing for... it is doing the same thing, okay. Oh, wow! That's a nice way to cheat. You can get all sorts of experience by doing that. So maybe I don't have this correct. So setting this area 2D to not be monitoring, I don't think is what I actually want. I bet I want... thinking. I should just look up area 2D in here. What do I have to work with? Those are the signals, of which there are plenty. Set monitoring. Okay, let's try set monitoring. Now let's see if we can just shoot it once. Nope. Such a quandary. What if... is there a way that I could, like... oh, you know what? I can just use a Boolean. Is being destroyed. And we'll just check if not is being destroyed. Do all this jazz. And also set is being destroyed to true. So I don't even need to worry about setting that. It should only happen once now. I feel like it... Wait. Did that actually work? Let's get rid of the spiky ball. Yeah, I think that worked. If slimes are worth 20 experience, that is. And they are. Nice. I think that fixes it. Or that kicks the can down the road of me learning how to disable the... Hi, Arrowax. How's your evening going? Yep, working on actually using the experience points for something other than just points. A future you can worry about. Yeah, screw that person. I'll let them deal with it. I don't need to worry about it. Going well? Good to hear, good to hear. The good old future version solution. Yeah, I feel pretty confident in future me's ability to learn things. So they'll be in a better position to handle this issue. For now, I'll do it the way that present me knows how to do it. Yeah, this'll work. In here. Nope, if is, if not is, then we also don't need you. And same for Spiky. Whoa. I think my keyboard is kind of messed up. Sometimes it randomly changes to insert mode. Ouch. So since I missed it, what problem are you leaving to future you? Oh, I was trying to turn off Area 2D monitoring so that you couldn't continue shooting the same object with your lasers and just like continue racking up points and whatnot, and also emitting lots of particles. But this way I don't have to worry about it because I know it'll happen once. I do need to figure out how to turn on and off Area 2Ds though, but just not at the moment. Also, that needs to get set to true in there, and I don't think I did that on this one. Nope. Oh, yeah. If you just got here, we're listening to music by Arrowax. I mean, not Arrowax, Exo Drifter. Arrowax, we are listening to Exo Drifter. This could always mess with collision masks. To be honest though, I've never used an area that I was shutting off. It's an interesting problem. I feel like for my kind of, you can disable their collision shape, and I could remove them. So I actually did know how to do it. I just didn't know I knew how to do it. Collision shape nodes have a disabled. Yes. And I've used that before extensively back when I was trying to get this, the grabby portion of the claw machine down, in one of my iterations, I had these collision locks that would appear when the degrees got to a certain point. So there'd be invisible rigid bodies that would prevent this from opening. The problem is they would vibrate rapidly and cause all sorts of weird effects to anything stuck inside. But this way, I don't have to worry about that. I would think monitoring would work. Yeah, I thought so too. But I don't think I understand how to set that value. There's probably something I need to do. Sounds like physics, all right. Yep. But it's been, I mean, I think I'm to a point where I actually kind of like how the things feel. I don't know. Though there are some weird values in Godot physics that don't work for setting and unsetting. Like sleeping on rigid bodies I've had issues with. Yeah, and I'm betting there's like do you need to call set deferred so that it will correctly apply on a frame in which it's no longer being used for calculations? Or something like that, I bet. But what was I testing again? Oh yeah, let's see how these all go. Those are pretty good. Now I just need to put it on all the other ones. We'll have some nice, pretty effects for when you violently destroy things with lasers. This is a nice song. Very peaceful. Breaking the Dawn. Well, that makes sense. Okay. Continuing on with these. I'm not really using rings yet, and I'm not really using feathers, so, and I'm not really using the belt. I'll just do it on the ones that are actually in there to start with. Don't select the code. I want a timer, and I want some particles. Skydiving. This almost reminds me of like the music, I mean. I don't know if you all can hear it very well, but it sounds like something you'd hear in a northern coastland, like a harbor town, as you're strolling in and you're sorta lost, but not really. Like you've never been to this town before, but you have a sneaking suspicion that you've walked into a Stephen King novel, and you're getting the feeling like maybe you should go, but you can't, cause you gotta see what it's all about here, you know? Like, if you walked into a Stephen King novel, wouldn't you want to figure out what the thing is? Like, why? And how? And where did this fog come from? And who's that weird guy on the bench over there? He's got, like, really crazy hat and a yellow trench coat in the middle of July, and it's like, yeah, I don't know, that's just what the music makes me think. particles 2D. Destroy effect particles? Wait, no, what did I call it? Destroyed particles. And you are called Destroy Effect Timer. That's where the word effect came from. Alright. You need a process material. Prize destroyed. Make unique. Load up the mission mask from the mana potion. Grab you. Give you like, I don't know, 400 particles? Whoa! You're huge! Also kind of pretty though. Also, I don't think I loaded the right thing. There we go. Now let's change your time. Oh right, we need to change your lifetime to 0.3. No, 0.4 I think. And we need to change your transform to negative, was it 32? I sort of feel like you're the slime again. Okay, that works. And that works. And that works. But why? Load. Prize destroyed. I assume you scale down your mana potion sprite quite a bit. Yeah, I do. What I'm wondering though is when I load this, was I doing something different before? Because like when I do that, it... Oh! For whatever reason I thought it was changing this. But yeah, I can just change the scale of this thing. Do I want to do it here or in there? I think I want to do it in here. Did I make unique? Probably did, but okay. Let's try giving you that. No. I think I do want this scale. I mean, that looks super pretty. Not gonna lie. That's getting closer. Let's just adjust you a bit like that. Also, why is it gravity's good? Initial velocity? Oh, because I changed the scale. There we go. I kinda actually like it. even though it's not the same as the other ones. Yeah, I still like it. So we then want... You can scale the image in an image editor and use the scaled version for the emission mask. Yeah, that'd probably be easiest. Let's see. I am trying to learn a Sprite, but I know Photoshop better, so I think I'm just going to do it in Photoshop quick. I'll do it off screen though, because there might be work stuff in there floating about. Where did I save you? Here, here. 2D claw machine, assets, images, health. Oh. Yeah, the health potion and mana potions are actually pretty big. Let's make you small. Smallify. Seems pretty good. Save as mana potion. Small. Oops. Let's open the health potion and make you small. It's small, about the same amount of small. Health potion, small. Alright, now let's load. Well, actually, let's reset the scale on that. Give you this mana potion, small. Only set point. Only set. Oh, I don't have one yet because I got rid of it. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Thanks for the help. Easy peasy. Yep. I mean, I did like how that other one was looking, but I think this is better for consistency's sake. There we go. Now we need to add you to there. Do that. Then prize remove. I think that's what I want to call it. No problemo. The other way is to convert the particle material to a shader material and edit the code to scale the point texture sampling. I think I like the former solution better. Although, I do need to learn how to do that stuff someday. Maybe just not tonight. Let's see now. Mana potion. Starting to lose my train of thought. Better get some more coffee. Okay. We want to copy this stuff. Put you all there. Declare you up here. Blah. Destroy effect timer. Destroy effect timer. Destroy effect timer, destroy effect timer, destroy. Okay, they're all named correctly. Destroy particles. Lifetime. Oh, did I also change this to that and that to that? Got health potion. Need to add this. And, whoa, where? Here, there, this. Then, load emission mask from the small potion. Give you a whole bunch of particles. Shorten your lifetime. Good, good. Then we need to move your transform. Okay. Add a timer. Call you. Destroy. Destroy timer. Destroy effect timer. All right, that looks pretty good. I think the explosion effect would look better with a longer lifetime and more linear damping. Let's give it a look-see. Destroyed particles? Yes, okay. Longer lifetime and more linear damping. Let's give it about that much, maybe. And then linear damping, would that be the linear acceleration curve, or is there a different one for that? Damping, oh. The rate at which particles lose velocity. I see. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. Oh, wait a minute. Give them a nice big initial velocity and then play with the damping. Damping. Oh. I think I can almost see it. That really doesn't look like it's doing anything. You can type a value in to get it larger than 100. Okay. Let's do a velocity of 500. And let's do damping that much. That looks really cool. The default setup for the parameters is kind of wonky, but it's much better in Godot 4. Yeah, I really can't wait for Godot 4. I've heard so many people talk about how they would get into Godot game dev. Sorry, I'm tripping over my words. They would get into it, but they're waiting for Godot 4. I mean, they've got pre-alphas out. Pretty stable, surprisingly. I might have to give it a try then. I think I'm going to finish this game, and then I think I'm going to move on, even if they're not, like, fully released yet. What did I want to do? Right. Let's bring the velocity down a bit. They said they're going to release weekly pre-alphas for a bit, and beta is when they do feature freeze. Oh, nice. So it feels like they must be getting kind of close then. I think I'm gonna change the scale curve a bit. It almost looks like a pixely fire. Hopefully, lol. Yep. Oh, there's gonna be breaking changes around then. Probably. That does look really cool. Let's see. I kind of want the pixels nice and chunky. Also, if you're making an explosion, messing with the explosive parameter on the particles node would help. Explosiveness. Oh, there. Wait, I just saw it. I thought I just saw it. Here we go. Oh, cool. That's pretty neat. Yeah. Alright, now let's see one shot. That's kinda cool. Let's bring you down a bit. Maybe even a bit more. Yeah! Alright, now let's see about that. That kind of cuts off abruptly. Yeah. I think that's what I want. Probably less damping. You don't want it to feel like they're sticking to something. You're right. I think that looks pretty good. Like it's breaking apart. Then I think there was also something else. Is there randomness? That doesn't look like it's doing much. Oh, wait a minute. I can make a damping curve? I've never seen randomness do anything, so to me it's a mystery, lol. If I had to guess, mission lifetime randomness ratio. So if I were to set this to like 4, yeah, they disappear at different rates. Realistically, the damping would be more the faster they're moving. So, like, you mean for this damping curve, let's turn you on. Wait, go on. Oh, neat, it'll continuously explode. Good, good, good. So I want less damping in the start and more after. Let's set you to... Wait, this should go from 0 to 100%. Yeah. A downward curve? Set the max value to like 600. Oh! Sorry about that. Let's try making you a bit bigger. That is kind of neat, but again, it feels like they're sticking to stuff. I kind of liked it better at 600. Oh, and the max value limit is, uh-oh, come back. It's gone. It's gone to a place I can no longer reach. It's combining the value and the curve in a weird way. What if I have... Okay, so I don't even need this one. The curve should just replace the value. Yep, just figured that one. All right. What do you look like if it goes like that? Yeah, I kind of like this. I think that's what I'm gonna use. Do I want to make it shorter? No, I think I do want it to be that long. Yeah, it looks like they're like disintegrating. Kinda reminds me of like how the enemies, if you hit them with like it's either plasma or electric in the Fallout games. Let's actually save you. So then this one is this one. Whoops. Quick load this one. Wait. Oh, at the end there's a little, like, plop, like they get stuck. I wonder if it's this scale thing I'm doing. Yeah, it's like they stop at the end. Do I still have... no? Well, I think it's good enough. Let's see about putting you over here then. It's saving the emission mask in the resource, so you need a unique one for each object, or you could set it yourself in the script. Yes, and yes. I, thus far, have just been making them unique. So, like, let me save it again, and then make unique. And over here, let's quick load this one to get the latest stuff. Then let's make unique, and change you to the mana potion small. And now you should be, boop. There we go. What do you look like? Wait, did you get the stuff changed too? No, you didn't. Now, did you get it? Yes, you did. Wait. Oh yeah, no, yeah, that's right. Make unique. Load the spiky. There we go. Load, nah, quick load. This one. Make unique. This. And good. One shot, yep. And for you, little slime, get that, then make unique. What? Did that just get rid of its load? Make unique. Oh wait, does that do it for all of them? Yeah, it does. Okay, good. I'm not going crazy. That's how it just looks. There we go. Nice. I think it's time to change to some chill lo-fi tunes. Well, I'll leave that playing. And then get you up. Thought I had a nice big one. Or I should say a long one. Where did you go? Oh, there it is. Now I shall attempt to lull you all to sleep. As I make a few more of these. particles. I'm making a list of animal names to use as random file names for new image files. Any suggestions to add? Well, you better have cat in there. Turtle? Salmon. How about moose? I have several cats. Good, good. Random file names for new image files. What are you using the image files for? Is it, oh, are you making a thing to like auto-generate file names so that they're sort of random but like easily distinguishable, like when you use your texture creator? Or at least that's my best guess at what you might be doing. Destroy effect timer. When you make a new texture and go to save it, the save dialog will have a default name in it. Nice. Yeah, I think, is it Twitch clips that do something similar? Like if you clip something, it'll give it like a 4-word string. Destroy timer. Destroy effect timer. And I renamed that. I must be getting sleepy. If I don't have a random default name, people will end up with a bunch of NEX texture 46.png stuff. I mean, I think most systems have built-in stuff for handling that, but I don't know, you could always take a hash of some of the image data somehow and use that to generate, but those don't really mean anything. I like your idea better. I mean, I shouldn't say they don't mean anything. They lack meaning. Alright. Destroy particles. You gonna have this. Gonna make you unique. Gonna load this from wait. Oh, right. I think. Oh, this one I will have to do in script because I have something in here that changes its color. Yeah, I don't want a bunch of similar name files or nonsense like that. The idea is if someone doesn't want to think of a name for the texture, they just get it usable. Yeah, I like it when systems do that for you. Yeah, I think that's a handy thing to have happen. Let me see. How do I want to handle this? Well, before I forget, I better grab this code and bring it over. Where am I? Oh, there you are. Prize remove. Make you up here. go. So now it should do the thing. Oh yeah, we also need to change where you're at. I just changed that. Negative 32. Negative 32. Too much. Negative 16. Negative 16. Better. Actually, yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, I think I'll figure this out later. One shot, 0.4. Boom. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it here for tonight, everyone, because I kind of want to get to bed a little early, and I also kind of want to raid Eminent Plays, and I see that she's still on. So if you're all okay with it, let's go say hi. Yep, you all have a good one too. Let's get the raid started. Yeah, and thanks for stopping by. See ya, bye.